We live in a world of information overload. Choices bombard us from all sides. But what if the key to success isn't agonizing over these choices? What if it's about deciding faster? Enter the 7-second decision rule. This simple idea suggests that by limiting our deliberation time, we can unlock surprising benefits. Less time spent wavering can lead to more action, more momentum, and ultimately, more success. Think about a time you hesitated. Did it lead to a positive outcome? Probably not. The 7-second rule challenges us to trust our instincts. It encourages us to embrace a bias for action, making decisions swiftly and confidently. This isn't about recklessness. It's about understanding that sometimes overthinking is the enemy of progress. In the fast-paced world of business, opportunities appear and disappear quickly. A company that hesitates to seize a fleeting opportunity risks losing it to a competitor. The same principle applies to individuals. The ability to make quick decisions, especially under pressure, is a hallmark of successful people in any field. Consider athletes. A basketball player doesn't have the luxury of analyzing every possible outcome before taking a shot. They rely on instinct, honed by years of practice, to make split-second decisions that often determine the outcome of the game. This ability to act decisively under pressure isn't limited to sports. It's essential in business, in relationships, and in life. Our brains are wired for both fast and slow thinking. Fast thinking, often driven by intuition and emotion, allows us to make quick decisions based on limited information. Slow thinking, on the other hand, is more deliberate and analytical, involving conscious reasoning and weighing of evidence. While both modes of thinking are valuable, research suggests that our gut feelings are often surprisingly accurate. When we face complex decisions, our subconscious mind continues to process information even when we're not consciously aware of it. This can lead to a gut feeling that guides us towards the best course of action, even if we can't articulate the reasons behind it. Overthinking, on the other hand, can lead us down a rabbit hole of analysis paralysis, where we become so bogged down in details that we fail to make any decision at all. Section 4. Mastering the 7-second rule. Tips for quicker decisions. So how can we harness the power of the 7-second rule in our own lives? The first step is to be aware of our decision-making patterns. Do we tend to overthink things? Do we struggle to make decisions under pressure? Once we understand our tendencies, we can start to develop strategies for making quicker, more effective decisions. One helpful technique is to set clear decision-making criteria in advance. If we know what factors are most important to us, we can quickly assess our options and make a decision based on our predetermined priorities. It's also crucial to learn to trust our intuition. While it's important to gather information and consider the facts, we shouldn't discount the value of our gut feelings. Section 5. Success stories. They didn't hesitate. History is replete with examples of individuals who achieved greatness by making quick, decisive choices. Consider Steve Jobs' decision to license the graphical user interface from Xerox. This seemingly small decision, made in a matter of minutes, revolutionized the personal computer industry and paved the way for Apple's future success. Or think about Oprah Winfrey's decision to leave her secure job as a news anchor to pursue a career in daytime talk. This bold move, made despite considerable risk and uncertainty, led to the creation of one of the most successful media empires of all time. These examples highlight the power of trusting one's instincts and taking decisive action, even in the face of uncertainty.